Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your ClickUp account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently delete your ClickUp account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently delete your ClickUp account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that software can kind of drag you down if you have too many subscriptions that you're not using. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your ClickUp account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my ClickUp account, and this is the home screen. Now, before we go any further, I want to let you know, in order to permanently close your ClickUp account, you do have to either delete or transfer ownership of all the workspaces that you have inside your ClickUp account. So how you do that is here on the left, you're going to click on the little arrow next to your workspace. Once you do that, you will see all of the workspaces you have in your ClickUp. You can see I just have these two. So for each and every one of these, you need to go through and then click on settings. Once you get into settings, you're going to go ahead and click on delete workspace. Once you do that, you will see this warning right here saying that once you delete this workspace, all the files, tasks, history, it's all going to be deleted and it's permanent. You can't recover it. So make sure you do understand that, and you'll type in delete here and then click on delete. Okay, let me go ahead and go back. Okay, so now that you have deleted all of the workspaces or you've transferred them to a new owner, what you're going to do is here on the top right, click on your profile icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. All right, so once you do that, you're going to be in the settings for your ClickUp account. And in order to permanently close down this ClickUp account, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom and you want to click on this button here. It's red. It's called delete account. Okay, so once you do that, they do give you some information about permanently deleting your ClickUp account. They let you know that once you click on delete down below, it's not deleted immediately. It's going to be in queue or scheduled to be deleted within 30 days. They also let you know future billing will not apply to that account. So if you're sure you want to go ahead and permanently delete your ClickUp account, go ahead and just type in your password right here and then click on confirm. I'm not going to delete this account because I'm still using it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to permanently delete your ClickUp account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.